Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Abigail here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look here for any festival that you attend. Since it is Coachella week, it has inspired me to come up with this look just because of watching all of the beauty gurus like Manny, Laura Lee, my man Bretman Rock, and how they come up with all of their makeup looks, and especially Nikita Dragun. I love her wig she was wearing of the rainbow wig. Killer. So this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's jump into it. So first I am going to prime my face with the In Transit Camera Close Up. I did get this from the Allure Beauty box. And a little does go a long ways, so I just put a little on the most important areas and rub that through. Alright, now that we have primed, let's put a little bit of foundation on. I have the Rimmel foundation. It is the Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable, and it is a medium coverage. I really like the applicator on it. I have never used a foundation that has this honking brush on it, but I actually really enjoy it. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it through. And just because it is a medium coverage, I am going to apply just a little bit more. Then we are going to conceal the under eye with the Maybelline Light to Medium Concealer. Going to take the Tarte setting powder and just put some on the under eye as well, just to make sure that during the festival your makeup will be on the whole entire time. I have never actually been to Coachella just because for a few day ticket is like quite expensive. But it always looks like so much fun, and I love seeing all the pictures of the outfits and the makeup gurus of what they end up coming up with, so I thought it would be a great idea to create my own look. And then we are just going to take some of the Neutrogena and apply over top of that. I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows first just because we're going to be doing a quite extensive look. Okay, now that my eyebrows are finished, let's go ahead and go in with the eyes. I'm going to prime it first with the Maybelline 24-Hour Tattoo Metal. Go ahead, put some on my middle finger. About this one is that it has a little bit of color to it, a little bit of a cream, so that way I don't have to go in with a base color and make that my base. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. And I am mainly going to be sticking with the teals down here, these two here. Okay, so to start, I am actually going to go in with the more of the yellow shade right here, just to give it an extra little pop. Then I am going to add the black down here in the outside corner. I'm going to take some of my concealer and apply it on the lid. Going to be taking that angled brush to apply the concealer onto my lid. And you can look up to give you that defined line to guide you. And if you're like me and don't have patience, you can grab a fan and just let it dry. Bam! It's dried. Now I'm going to jump into the other eye. Fan again. Okay, now that that is finished, put my fan down. Going to go back with Jaclyn's palette, and I'm going to go in with the teal colors now. So for the first one, I am just going to take the matte shade. Going in with the matte color will help the sparkly shade pop out even better. I'm going to also take it just above where I put the concealer so it's not such a harsh line. Make it a little bit more blended. I'm going to go in with the sparkly one here. It might be better to use with my finger, but I'm going to try it with a brush first. And I'm just going to apply it right over where I just applied that teal. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I am loving this, and I am just getting started. Oh, I have to say thank you so much, Jaclyn Hill, for this palette. I'm not going to blend it out any more into the black because I'm thinking I'm really liking how it's looking so far, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the eyeliner and the eyelashes then. And I'm going to be doing a winged eyeliner look, so I'm going to do that off camera and my lashes. I'll be right back. Now that I have my lashes on, I am going to fill in the waterline. I'm going to start with that matte teal that we used. We want it kind of thick because we want to be a little bit more dramatic with this look. It looks a little weird, but once it is completed, you'll love it. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of a sharper brush and do the black and take it from the outside slightly in. And then I'm going to go back in with that brush I had just used and blend it out. Okay, and now for the really fun part. I went just to Walmart in the arts and crafts section and got these adhesives, and we are going to be applying those today. So these ones in this pack here, it's a 60 piece and they were only 97 cents. So totally affordable. And they have these really small ones here that I am going to be using. And I'm actually going to apply it right on top of the false lashes. There. Now let's move in to doing our contour. I'm going to be taking the cream contour stick from Rimmel. Going to be just applying it in the few areas. And then just taking my beauty blender and blending it out. Then I'm going to take the highlighter part and add that. Blend that out. Then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and I am going to be taking her blushes from it. And I'm going to go a little bit overboard with the blushes on this. And then I am also going to take her highlighters as well, just over top of the one that I just used with the contour stick, just for a little bit of a bigger effect. Then I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to be taking her palette that I used before, and I'm going to be using this shade here. And then I am also going to take it under my eyebrow and apply it there as well. For my lipstick, I am going to be mixing two colors. I have the Urban Decay High Gloss Lip Color in Scandal, and then I have the NYX 595 shade there. So I'm going to line my lips with the Urban Decay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it darker on the outsides where I just lined it, and then slightly take it inward. Not all the way. And then I'm going to take the NYX color and go into the spots that I did not fill in. And that's what I come up with. And there's the finishing look. Let me know how you guys feel about this look, or if you guys would use this for yours. The studs on my eyes don't feel bad at all. It's just like I have my lashes up there. I don't really notice them. I enjoyed doing this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Bye guys!